Deep beneath the icy expanse of Antarctica, recent scientific endeavors have unveiled a groundbreaking discovery that challenges our historical narratives. Hidden civilizations, preserved for millennia under layers of ice, are now coming to light, offering new insights into human resilience and adaptability. This exploration into the frozen remnants of ancient societies not only captivates our curiosity, but also expands our understanding of human history and the profound capabilities of our ancestors. Antarctica, often perceived as a barren land with minimal life, has held secrets beneath its icy surface for millennia. The discovery of remnants from ancient civilizations buried under ice confronts us with new questions about past human geography and the adaptability of human societies. This script will guide you through the initial findings, the scientific analysis, and the broader implications of such a remarkable discovery. Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent, encapsulating the South Pole, surrounded by the Southern Ocean, and famously known for its harsh climate and formidable ice sheets. It spans about 14 million square kilometers, making it the fifth largest continent, yet it is the least explored due to its extreme environment. The average thickness of the ice is about 1.9 kilometers, which conceals over 98% of the landmass. This ice acts not just as a cap preserving the continent, but as a keeper of long-hidden secrets. Historically, Antarctica has been a canvas for adventure and scientific exploration. The first confirmed sighting of the continent was in 1820, and it has since been a venue for scientific research and exploratory missions. Historical expeditions, like those led by Ernest Shackleton and Robert Falcon Scott, paved the way for modern scientific inquiry, focusing on climatology, glaciology, and now, potentially, archaeology. In recent years, advances in technology like satellite imagery and radar have allowed scientists to peek beneath the ice, revealing topographies and anomalies that suggest human activities may have once thrived here before being encapsulated by ice. The implications of these findings prompted a new wave of interest and led to the extraordinary discovery we are discussing today. The news broke when an international team of scientists, using advanced radar detection equipment, identified anomalies beneath the ice that resembled man-made structures. These findings were unexpected and initially met with skepticism. As more data surfaced, the evidence became undeniable. Artifacts, some of which appeared to be tools and other cultural objects, along with structural remnants, suggested the presence of a once active civilization. The announcement was made through a press release followed by a detailed presentation at a major scientific conference, sparking interest worldwide. Experts from various fields, including archaeology, anthropology, climatology, and history, joined forces to analyze the findings. The public's reaction ranged from sheer amazement to cautious intrigue, as people pondered the implications of such a discovery on our understanding of human history. The initial phase of analysis focused on dating the artifacts and organic materials found at the site. Using techniques like carbon dating and analyzing ice cores, scientists estimated that the civilization could date back thousands of years, to a time when Antarctica was thought to be uninhabitable. This suggested that either human migration patterns were far different than current models assumed, or that the climate of Antarctica had changed dramatically over millennia. The artifacts were preserved in a state that provided unprecedented insights into the daily lives of this civilization. Tools made from bone and stone, pottery fragments, and even remnants of clothing offered clues about how these people adapted to what must have been a harsh environment. The structures uncovered hinted at sophisticated building techniques adapted for thermal insulation and wind protection, crucial for survival in such a frigid climate. The discovery of a frozen civilization under the Antarctic ice is not merely an academic curiosity. It holds profound implications for several fields of study. Historically, the consensus has been that Antarctica was a pristine, largely lifeless continent before its recent exploration. This finding suggests otherwise, prompting historians and archaeologists to rethink the migration patterns and survival strategies of ancient human civilizations. The artifacts and structures found suggest that the people who once lived here were not only survivors, but innovators adept at manipulating their environment. The sophistication of the tools and the design of the dwellings indicate a deep understanding of environmental challenges. Historians now face the task of integrating this new knowledge into the existing narrative of human history. This integration could reshape our understanding of prehistoric human spread and adaptation, challenging the idea that ancient civilizations were limited to known historical hotspots like Mesopotamia, the Indus Valley, and ancient China. In the area of climate science, these findings provide a new window into Earth's climate past. By studying the layers of ice that have preserved these ancient relics, climatologists can gather data on historical climate conditions, potentially offering insights into patterns of climate change and helping predict future climate disasters. For policymakers, the discovery has implications for environmental conservation and management strategies. It highlights the importance of preserving untouched territories, like those in Antarctica, not only for their ecological value, but also for their historical and archaeological significance. Looking forward, the scientific community is abuzz with plans for future research and further explorations. The initial findings have only scratched the surface of what lies beneath the ice. Numerous research institutions have proposed expeditions aimed at a more comprehensive excavation of the site. These future expeditions will employ more sophisticated technology, such as drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras and advanced ground-penetrating radar, to map and visualize the scope of the settlement beneath the ice. Additionally, there are plans to establish a research base near the site to facilitate ongoing studies, ensuring that the excavation and analysis can proceed with minimal environmental impact. Scientists are also developing new technologies to study the artifacts in situ before they are exposed to the outside environment, which could degrade their preservation. This includes portable dating technologies that can determine the age of artifacts on the spot, as well as non-invasive scanning equipment that can reveal detailed structures without the need for physical excavation. Given the wide-ranging implications of the discovery, an interdisciplinary approach has become essential. Archaeologists are working alongside anthropologists, climate scientists, historians, and even geneticists to piece together the story of this civilization. Genetic studies, in particular, are expected to yield information about the people themselves, where they came from, how they might have been related to other known groups, and how they adapted to such an inhospitable environment. The discovery of a civilization under the Antarctic ice has captivated the imagination of the public and scholars alike. It has sparked a renewed interest in human history, particularly in understanding how societies adapt to extreme environments. The media has played a pivotal role in shaping public perception of this discovery. Through documentaries, news articles, and social media, information has been disseminated widely, leading to a surge in public interest. This coverage has not only educated people about the importance of such archaeological finds, but also highlighted the technological prowess and collaborative spirit driving these explorations. As a result, there has been a noticeable increase in public engagement with science and history-related content, with more people attending exhibitions, watching related documentaries, and participating in discussions about the implications of such discoveries. Educational institutions have quickly recognized the value of this discovery in enriching curricula. Schools and universities are incorporating these findings into their courses, particularly those focused on history, archaeology, and environmental science. This integration into educational resources provides students with up-to-date knowledge and stimulates critical thinking about how history is continually reshaped by new discoveries. Additionally, This topic has become a popular theme in workshops and seminars, where experts can discuss the broader implications of such discoveries with the next generation of scholars and enthusiasts. With great discovery also comes great responsibility. The uncovering of a civilization under the Antarctic ice raises important ethical considerations that must be addressed to ensure the responsible handling of such a significant find. One of the most pressing debates is the balance between preservation and exploration. While there is a strong drive to explore and understand as much as possible about the newly discovered civilization, there's also a critical need to preserve the site. The conditions that kept these artifacts and structures intact for thousands of years are very delicate, and exposure to modern environments could lead to deterioration. Scientists and researchers are thus faced with the challenge of extracting as much useful information as possible without compromising the integrity of the artifacts or the site itself. Furthermore, there is a profound respect that must be accorded to the indigenous cultures of the Antarctic region. While the continent is largely uninhabited now, any findings that relate to human history invoke the need to consult and engage with indigenous groups who may have historical ties to the region. Ensuring that these groups are involved in the research process and that their insights and perspectives are respected is essential for ethical research. While we wrap up our exploration of the incredible discovery of civilizations frozen under the Antarctic ice, we reflect on the journey we've started upon, from the initial shock of the discovery to the multifaceted implications it holds across various fields. This revelation is not just about uncovering a lost city or deciphering ancient artifacts. It's about redefining our understanding of human resilience, adaptability, and the complex narratives of our past. The significance of this discovery transcends the immediate thrill of finding a lost civilization. It challenges our understanding of human history and prehistoric human migration. It prompts us to reconsider our assumptions about the environmental and geographic limitations on ancient societies. This discovery could reshape our understanding of climate change, as it provides new data on how Earth's climate has shifted over millennia, influencing where and how humans can live. The findings from Antarctica have sparked a global conversation about the importance of preserving our heritage. As we continue to explore and uncover, we are reminded of the delicate balance between discovery and preservation, and the ethical responsibilities that come with such knowledge. Let us reflect on the broader implications of this discovery. It invites us to think deeply about our own place in the world and the legacy we leave behind. The civilizations under the ice stood the test of time, preserved by the very environment that challenges life. What will future generations discover about us? What does our impact on the planet say about our civilization? In light of these reflections, the story of the frozen civilizations in Antarctica is not just a tale of the past, but a mirror reflecting our current and future challenges. It is a call to action, urging us to approach our explorations and our interactions with our environment with respect, curiosity, and responsibility. The journey doesn't end here. The ongoing research and future expeditions aimed at uncovering more about this ancient civilization will continue to provide valuable insights. Scientists, researchers, and scholars from around the world are working together to uncover more secrets that lie beneath the ice. Each piece of pottery, each tool, and each structure tells a part of a story that belongs not only to the past, but to all of humanity. We invite our audience to stay engaged, to follow the developments of this extraordinary story, and to participate in the discussions and educational opportunities that arise. Through documentaries, publications, and exhibitions, there will be numerous ways to learn about and engage with these discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey into one of the most enigmatic and fascinating chapters of human history, uncovered in the most unexpected of places, frozen under the vast, silent ice of Antarctica. As we continue to explore, Let's carry forward the spirit of discovery, the rigor of scientific inquiry, and the ethical considerations that these ancient finds demand. Together, let us keep unraveling the mysteries of our past to better understand our present and shape a more informed future.